This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
After 50 years, what can Toyota do to keep its iconic Corolla relevant? The almost ubiquitous platform has been called stodgy, boring, and several other things not appropriate for family discussion. At the same time, it has also been reliable, economical, and functional. Are we talking about the same car here? The latest version comes in multiple trim levels and is familiar to drivers on a global level. It's worth noting that it is 183 inches in overall length, which at one time was considered a pretty roomy midsize. Now, what was once compacts are filling that space. We've test-driven other Corollas over the years several times and note that this version has better handling and ride than before. We are also impressed that it comes with something that should be critical for a driver these days, a safety package.
Those packages have lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and pre-collision system. One big thing in the industry is everybody's going for safety. Safety is very important to customers' purchasing needs and what their requirements are. With this type of system and where we're going with OEM agreements to put more of these forward collision warning type systems on our cars, this actually puts us where we'll have 25 out of 30 of our Toyota and Lexus products that have Toyota Safety Sense standard by next model year, so 2018 model year.
Can these safety systems overwhelm a driver with their range of technology?
Now you're going to get alerts potentially when you may be deviating from a possible lane. You may get alerts for pre-collision system. Depends on your driving and what you're doing, but you ultimately may start hearing more beeps and alerts in your car than you're used to. One big thing that we want to do on it is train customers on what this system is, what it is designed to do, but also what its limitations and precautions are. This is not autonomous driving, it's a driver support system.
The Corolla is also one of the few vehicles that offers a manual transmission option across the line. Most drivers usually accept the CVT gearbox instead. The 2017 version of the Corolla still plays well in the fuel economy game, averaging 36 miles to the gallon in both city and highway driving. When it was first introduced in the 1960s, the Corolla was a functional econobox with a quirky appearance. Since then, it has evolved into a mainstay on the roads whose looks and technology are keeping pace with the needs of current drivers. It will be interesting to see what the next generation of it will offer. This is Greg Morrison.
We want to know what you think, so email us. The address is bumpertobumpertv@cs.com.